Hi, good morning. Let us have a view at today's words. The first word for today is acrimony. Acrimony relates to the feeling of anger, the feeling of bitterness, क्रोध की भावना, गुस्से की भावना. For example, she did not eat food in acrimony. उसने गुस्से में आकर खाना नहीं खाया. Second is vindicate. Vindicate means to prove something, to be true, to prove that something is not guilty. किसी चीज को सच साबित करना, vindicate करना. For example, she will be completely vindicated by these evidences. इन evidences से वो vindicate हो जाएगी. She will be proved right. Next word is gregarious. Gregarious is when you like being in the company of other people, when you are very friendly with other people. जब आपको लोगों से मिलना जुलना पसंद है, आप बहुत मिलनसार हैं. This means you are gregarious. For example, dolphins and dogs are gregarious animals. Dolphins और dogs बहुत friendly animals हैं, gregarious animals हैं. Next word for today is commensurate. Commensurate means to be suitable in quality or quantity as compared to something else. To be appropriate, to match something. We'll understand this with the help of an example. His boss informed him that his salary would be commensurate with his experience. उसके बॉस ने उसको बताया कि उसकी सैलरी उसके एक्सपीरियंस से commensurate करेगी, एक्सपीरियंस के अकॉर्डिंग सैलरी होगी. The last word for today is enervate. To be enervate means to feel tired, to feel drained of energy, to lack energy, weak या कमज़ोर. For example, running continuously enervates me. Continuous भागने से I feel enervated, I feel weak. मेरी एनर्जी ख़त्म हो जाती है, थकान होती है. This means I enervate. So these were the words for today. Hope you liked them. Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.